Hello everyone, this is Musharraf. Welcome back to another video by PSP Tech Studios. If you are in search of any tech stuff, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to follow us on our Instagram page PSP Tech Studios. So in this video we are going to unbox Acer Aspire 7 laptop. So before moving ahead, I'll tell you the specifications. This laptop comes with Intel Core i5 9th generation processor and has 8GB of RAM. Coming to memory, it has 512GB SSD memory. It is also equipped with NVIDIA Geforce 1650 4GB graphics. Without wasting any time, let's head into the video. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll be reviewing this laptop from approximately 1 week from now. So until then, stay tuned, stay techy.